Okay, hi everybody, welcome to Pepperina's World. Look at all those gray hairs. Today I'm gonna be trying to make ratatouille, but without eggplants. So let's get started. First thing I have to do, I have 4 bell peppers. I'm gonna put them in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes to roast them, and then we'll go from there. So let's put them in. Time 20 minutes.
I forgot, the next thing I have to do is put water, and I'm going to boil this, and once it starts boiling, I have all these tomatoes that I'm basically going to blanch them for 10 minutes with boiling water. So first we got to get this water in the pot and then put it on the stove and start boiling. Okay. There it goes. Now I'm putting it, well, I'm probably going to put it on medium because I'm going to try to eat a snack while it's boiling. So we're just going to wait on this, and I'll be back to show you what. Okay, our timer has gone off. Let's see what the bell peppers look like. They're not even ready. Maybe I was supposed to wait 40 minutes. Let me put the timer back on for 20 more minutes. Well, let's say 25. Okay, the next thing we have to do is get our tomatoes, rinse them. Where's my knife? I guess and then on the bottom side, you're gonna make a slit like that. Another one just across. I'm trying not to pierce real bad, but I think I am. I'm going way too deep. And I'm doing this to 4. Like that. And then this is the last one that I'm piercing. Okay. So, since I'm in a small kitchen, I hope this works. Because also my bowl isn't that big. But I'm trying to do them the slit side up. And then I'm going to pour the boiling hot water over this and let it sit for 10 minutes. While I'm waiting on the water to finish boiling for the tomatoes, I'm going to go ahead and start slicing up my veggies. They're going to be in the ratatouille. Slicing them really thin. And then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator in cold water, because you have to shock them. So I'm going to time lapse this. I have my water. Gonna throw these in here. Next, I'm gonna cut the zucchini and also put them in the water and put them in the refrigerator to shock them. Okay, so the water is boiling. I'm going to come over here and pour it on the tomatoes. I hope y'all can still see that. And I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. I'm going to put a little salt. I hope it does it correctly, because they keep floating up. Now let's check on our bell peppers. Roast it. I'm I'm gonna let them stay in there while it cools down. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna do to them in a few seconds. See you later. The next thing I'm gonna do is thinly slice these Idaho potatoes because I didn't want to eat eggplant in my ratatouille, so that's what I'm gonna do next. Is thinly slice these and then put them in the refrigerator with the zucchini and next thing is I'm going to cut carrots to make my sauce. At least I thought I saw carrots in the mix. I could be wrong. I'm probably all confused. But anywho, I don't know if I can stack them and cut. Okay, I better time lapse because I'm probably hurting y'all's ears. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to throw them in with the hot water and tomatoes because they're going to be cooked anyway, so the recipe didn't tell me to do this, but I'm doing it because they need to get soft in order to make sauce. So, yep, they're going to be in there, and I'm going to dice tomatoes. I'm going to cut up some onions, garlic, and get ready and saute that to make the sauce. Okay, I recently learned the proper way to cut an onion. I don't know if this one's the best. It's from this end to the opposite end. Then, just cut off the little hairy part. Peel it. Where is it? There we go. Then you want to just slice, but not all the way to the end, which I technically did because I don't care. And then dice. Okay, now the next half. Okay, we want to start the stove. I don't know why the gas isn't catching. Okay, it started properly. My bad. Oops. I'm going to use avocado oil because you're technically not supposed to use coconut for cooking. I just now learned that. So, put that in there. Now I'm going to throw in my onions and garlic. And we're going to saute that. Smells good. Okay, while this is happening, I am going to fetch out my carrot of this tomato water and place it in here. I'm fetching these out of the hot water so they can cool down. This is hot. We're going fishing for carrots. I totally should just use a colander. But I want to do stuff the difficult way. I'll be back. Next thing I'm supposed to do is peel this skin off. Which it is still hot. But that's great to get this skin off. And this I'm just gonna cut out. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other three, and I'll time lapse it so you can see. Oh, this one's stuck in there real good. Okay. So there we go. 1 down. 3 to go. Okay, now what I'm going to do, cut the tomato and dice it. And what the problem is, because I don't know if you guys saw me struggling with taking the tops off, is because some of the tops were still in their raw state since they kept floating to the top. I forgot I was supposed to have a lid so it would steam it. So, yeah, my bad. This is my first time doing this. So, that's why I'm videotaping, so you guys, if you're interested to try it. Also, if I mess up, you're going to see me mess up. But most of the time, I really don't mess up too bad if I do mess up. So, just dicing these, putting it in the bowl that I don't know if it's considered blanching. I think that's the proper term. But I may be wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm probably wrong. It was basically steaming, not so much blanching. Anywho. But I'm going to throw the bell peppers that I roasted in here as well. I forgot I need celery, which of course I always have celery, but I'm going to cut celery up after this so I can cook it with the onions and garlic and carrots for the sauce. Okay, so I'm back to the onions and carrots. I'm going to throw the celery in. Butter. Oh, I do. I'm going to throw in a little bit of butter. Okay, the butter is in. I don't know if you guys see the butter. I feel that's too much, but I already threw it. For seasoning, I'm going to put some celery seeds. Okay, I'm also going to I put celery seed. Okay, babe. I'm going to put garlic salt, well, if I can get it out. This garlic salt is stuck. Where's my other one? My favorite kind. There's the garlic salt. And I'm going to put some thyme. Better lower the heat. I'm also going to put onion powder. Yes, onion powder. Rosemary. Also going to put basil. If I can find it, I don't even know if I have it. I need to find bay leaves. I know I have bay leaves. I thought I bought bay leaves. Seriously? Maybe I didn't.